So welcome once again to Math with Ish. Now we have a question that says we should solve minus 3 over 2 y squared equals to minus 1 over 2y minus 1. Now this is in fraction, it's also quadratic but it's in fraction. So how do we solve this? The first thing to do is to multiply all through by the LCM of denominators. Okay, if we check the LCM of denominator, this 2, so the LCM of denominators is 2. So let's multiply each of them by 2. So we're going to have minus 3 over 2y squared. We're going to multiply this by 2. Minus 1 over 2y, also going to multiply this by 2. Then minus 1, I'm also going to multiply it by 2. So I've used 2 to multiply each of them. So these 2 will cancel out these 2, so that I'm left with minus 3y squared. These 2 will cancel out these 2, I'm left with minus y. And then 1 times 2 will give me 2. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, yeah. So let's go. Do we get that? Now, next, I'm going to rearrange 3y squared. If I bring this one down here, it becomes plus y. I bring this one down here, it becomes plus 2. And then there's nothing left at 0. So I'm now having all the terms in whole numbers. So the next thing I'm going to do now is, I'm going to, since they just say solve, you can now solve it using any method of your choice. Either the general quadratic formula method, or you use completing the square, or you use factorization. The choice is yours in this case. So, but in this case, I'm going to solve this using factorization because I think it will be shorter. So let's go to factorize. We take this first term, in case you've forgotten how to factorize. So this is how to apply the factorization method now, okay? Take this first term, multiply this third term. So minus 3y squared times 2. That will give us minus 6y squared. So the next step is to look for 2 factors of this minus 6y squared, that when you add them together, if you sum them up, it will give you this middle term, which is y. So the 2 factors of minus 6y squared will be minus, so the 2 factors will be minus 2y and 3y. Okay, because when you times them, you get this. When you add them, you get plus y. So we are going to substitute now the middle term with these 2 terms. So based on this y, I put my minus 2y, then plus 3y plus 2 equals 0. From here, I'm going to have that my minus y is common. I bring it out. Here, minus y divide this, that will give me 3y. Minus y divide this, that will give me plus 2. Here, 1 is common, so 1 divide this, 3y, 1 divide this, 2. So the 2 things in the bucket are same, so I'm going to just pick one, and then these 2 outside the bucket, which is minus y plus 1, minus y plus 1, and then equal to 0. So from here, I'm having that 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, or minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So from here, y is equal to minus 2 over 3, or from here, I know that this is also the same thing as y equal to 1. So these are the solutions to this quadratic equation. So thank you for watching. I hope you get value from this. Do have a good day. Bye.